closer than brighter. I mean, I don't think that's a train, no? Whoa, this one is taking too long. Oh yeah, there it comes. Now it's taking off, I think. Oh, I think. Oh my god, this is so big. So that's why they're waiting for. Let's see his trust reverses. Let's prepare for the trust reverse. I mean, the trust reverse, I think so are to. Let's see what we have over here. It's landing too low, that's what I mean. Okay, good job. No, I don't know. My thing, maybe. I would say maybe. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this. He's buttering. Okay, smooth. That was nonsense, now. Nuh-uh. Okay, let's see what we have. Dude, what is Aerolíneas doing? Argentinas doing? I mean, what is Aerolíneas Argentinas doing? What we have already. Oh, now it's taking off. I mean, I think it's taking off. Yeah, it's taken off. Let's see what we have if he takes off power. Well, that one scared me. Not too. Wait a second. Both of those there with payload, they take off at the same time. I don't know the reason why. Did I just... Well, this one just take off. It's just an ambulance. Yay, Atlas! We're gonna have to see Atlas Air. Well, Atlas. ATLAS. Freddy Fazbear. Well, let's see what we have. If this one is taken off. No, if this one is taken off, I mean. Because if he aborts the takeoff, I don't care. This is a Airbus 220. Well, better than the other one. Not too payloaded. These dudes meet each other, I think. I'm freaked out. I'm freaked out. There's a taking off Avianca, Atlas Air. No, don't tell me that. Let's see Frontier Airlines. The same thing. I think so. I see LATAM's tail moving. Well, these airplanes are not too loud. Maybe my voice. Yeah, my ears. Yeah, my ears. Whoa. This one is coming so saucy. Okay, trust reversers. Damn. Oh my god. What is this dude doing? Me, when I was thinking that was another one. It looks green. I'll discover it then. When I'm done recording the 737 that is coming, because like it looks weird to see it. It looks weird. That's 730. That's I don't mean what I'm saying. I don't know. Well, yes. Just take it over. Let's see if we have today go around. Or abort the takeoff or emergency landing. Wow. Oh, there it is. There's a lot of wind, I mean. Well, sometimes they're so loud that they're like the barrier. This one just bounced it. And this one is taking off immediately. I mean, this is the queen of the skies. Now I see Avianca taking off like one Avianca cargo. But that might be that might be the cargo one that is taking us always so early, so powerful takeoff. Well, maybe one day I can see him taking us so powerful. Let's see. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. I was just joking. No, really? No. Let's hear it. Thinking, I don't know. This one just take off like so powerful. I mean, I don't know, like what he's gonna do. Not too powerful. Look at he's over there. He just take off so cool. The 747. And now the Airbus A380 is grabbing passengers. And another thing that he needs to wait 2 hours or 1 hour 5 hours or 3 hours. So the another passengers going and board the 10 hours to London. Maybe that's to London. I mean, let's see what we have here. We have an Airbus A321 Frontier. What is this one? This one is I mean, I think that's not a cat. Yeah, I don't think that's not a cat. So I don't know if it's a cat or not. What I just mean is if it's like something like that, but I don't care. So let's see. So here we have an Airbus A320, for example. LATAM. This one had a great sound. I mean, Okay. That's great. Great takeoff. Now let's wait for the southwest. Maybe it's not gonna hear. So today we have a name MD82. We can hear his rivers. I think ML261. That's the registration. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking the 747 had passengers too, because how he can take off with like, I don't know, like with passengers from the cargo side, or maybe that's a cargo but made out of passengers. I don't care about it. Maybe test. No, I don't care. No. If I see it just landed, it's gonna be, oh damn. Just prepare our ears. Nah, not too low. It is his choice, yeah. Damn. Maybe I will give it a 10 now. 10 maybe. I will refer to a 10 because with that reverse, I like it. Okay, so here we have an Embraer 75. My head is so head. And I don't know if this one is taking off power. Maybe. He might take off from the north. Oh, like the Airbus 220 JetBlue. Okay, so after the thing, who is going first? Who's going first, Prime or Avianca? Let's see. Who is going first? No. So this one is not coming over here. That's what I mean. So this one is going on the north side. Wow, no, really? So impressed and depressed. Mira, Daddy, I say to him this sign, look that, this sign, so he can go there, and he goes. That's ridiculous. Wow, so this one is advancing, maybe. Imagine he takes off from here and just retracts the landing gear on the middle. That's so great. I like it. That was land. Maybe we could have seen. This is another jet. Boeing 737. We have here a Boeing 737. I don't know what to say. If I don't know if he is gonna take off from here. Mira, ahí va. There it goes. Wow. I will say that this one was the loudest river search. Well, not too loudest. So I will say that it's a 10 out of 10. I don't know why. Holy damn! This was the winner. Oh, even it retract the gears too early. That was the coolest. Well, so while we have again, because it was the second try. It's the second try, so we can see it more earlier the takeoff. The another one was too early, but I wanted so earlier. Okay, I don't know why that one is taking. There it goes. There it goes. Well, at least his engines are too slow sometimes. But let's see what we have. I don't know. What's our thinking? Our thinkings, our feelings. What the? He's nonsense in takeoff. And I don't know why there's this DC-9 over here. That's too weird. Well, sometimes it's rare to see him over here. That it was 2 years not to see him. 3 years, I mean. I didn't see him in 3 years. Oh, they were waiting for the Rush. Okay. Okay, oxygen monoxide. No, this one was with 2 payload. No, I won't give it plus a tail strike. That's great. A bit of tail strike, but it was a 9 out of 10 because the tail strike. Like tail strike means. I hear him. I don't know if there's a second world. There's one landing. That's great. I think so. You need to move your AWS out, because if this one is gonna go around. I mean, if he doesn't move his AWS out, or the other one might go around. I don't know. My choice. Choices are choices. Feelings are feelings. Attitudes, attitudes. Bro. Let's see what we have. Bro, they're too close. Let's go. Pull up your nose. Pull up. No. We got prime, boys. We got prime. We got primer. So The same as the other one, but a bit too early as the another one. Now it's time to see the 777, I mean. This one is a 777 Qatar. Bro, what the heck? Another prime. And they take off a prime. Wow, no, really? I just saw 2 primes already. One a vehicle and another one an airplane. Wow. Not too funny. Not artificial outside. Let's hear his reverse thrust. My touchdown so bad. Oh, 0 FPM. Fast landing. Oh. Look, they're racing each other. The police guard and the other one. Look. They're racing. Haha, they're they were racing. I love this airport sometimes, but I love it too much. Don't we plan to eat tomorrow at the morning? Don't you remember? No. When it's too high, I hear the whistling sound, but when it's too low, I don't like hear it so much. So different. I don't think it has wind blitz. Well, me too. I don't think it. Well, let's see. That's a normal one. That's just a green Avianca, but painted with green. Eco Evolution Avianca, maybe. Eco Avianca. Here, this Eco. I just saw 2 Aviancas that they're Eco Evolution. First let me see, like I don't remember it. No. Holy damn, this is so big. But sometimes it's rare to see him. Amerijet didn't land like this on here. Okay, touch. Okay, reverse thrust. And then let's hear this Atlas Air 767. Holy. so much. Oh my god. This one is fucking right here. That's why. That's the case. Well, let's record it even. Let's see if he passes over here. This one just or Chimenoxide. Okay, take off. Take off. I say take off, bro. This one has the thank you sign. Yeah, yay, thank you. You're welcome, Delta. We love you, Delta. Even if it's an airline. Well, so here we have another one. This one is the DC9 that you see, guys. Oh, even it has the shift on the shift SHIFT. Because you guys are thinking that I'm saying a bad word. Holy damn, no. Holy shit! Fuck that. Let's see how it closes with the shift on it. Fuck that! That was so early. But not too close to